Terra Classic to $1. Let's talk about when that could possibly happen. Let's go over some predictions from people outside of our channel, and then I'll go over my predictions at the end of this video with my technical analysis as well as my fundamental analysis. So if you guys want to see all of that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of this extremely important information I'm about to give you guys about Terra Classic. Also, by the way, guys, leave a like and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of this Terra Classic news. So here we are with Terra Classic. You can see the Terra Classic is currently sitting at about the 58 area, down about 2% over the past 24 hours. They're currently ranked number 216 in the world, and their market cap is sitting at about $383 million. Their volume is sitting at about $52 million, which is down 20% over the past 24 hours. Now, like I always say, I want to see this volume get up. We haven't been able to breach the $100 million volume in quite a long time at this point. It's been over a week and a half since the last time we were at $100 million. If we are able to get back to $100 million with volume, we can see anywhere from a 10 to 20% increase in price from Terra Classic, but for now, we do stay in that $50 million area. Now, I know, guys, I haven't been here in a little bit. I haven't updated you guys on recent news of Terra Classic in the past 4 or 5 days, so that's what I'll be doing in this video, and we'll also be going over my predictions, so just make sure you guys stick around for all that. In terms of the crypto market, I did make a video that should be out at the time of this recording with my 5 best cryptos to buy now. So if you guys want to watch that, you can watch that with, I'm sure, a link up there or whatever. Go check our channel. But I went over the state of the crypto market, and the global crypto market is sitting at $962 billion right now, which is a 0.3% increase over the last day. At one point, this was in the $800 billion area when both Bitcoin and Ethereum were at its lowest, in the 18,000 area for Bitcoin, and then also $900 area for Ethereum. Luckily, we have had a bounce back week, and hopefully Terra Classic can start bouncing back with it here very, very soon. But anyways, that's enough about other cryptos. If you guys want to hear more about that, watch my earlier video today. But other than that, Terra Classic down 2%. Let's talk about my predictions on it and some other people's predictions on it as well. But first, I do want to mention that we do have a free section in our private Discord where we give out free alerts on both crypto as well as stock options. You're basically leaving free money on the table if you guys have not joined our free section of our private Discord yet. We're about to hit 5,000 members, and also we're giving out free alerts every single day, giving out basically free cash in there with the second link in the description. So go ahead and join our free section of our private Discord with that second link in the description. But let's get into predictions. So this is coming from coinpedia.org. Terra Classic price prediction: will the Lunc price eliminate a zero in 2022? Let's talk about that. The cryptoverse has witnessed a very unusual event. They go over the crash of Terra Classic. Obviously, we now have Terra Classic, or Lunc, what we're talking about in this video, and Terra Luna, which Do Kwon and Terraform Labs are involved with now. The price dump of the crypto asset has been hard to swallow for the industry. The fall started after the depeg. Marketers from business still perplexed over Lunc, and the recently launched Terra Luna, which is yet to test the waters. Buckle up as we decode the plausible price prediction of Lunc for 2022 and beyond. So for Lunc, the current price is about 57 when they made this. The market cap 375 million, circulating supply about 6.5 trillion, and the trading volume 82 million, which is up from today 52 million. All-time high about $120, and now sits at much less than a cent after its crash. And then obviously how many Lunc tokens were added to the supply after that depegging. But yeah, Luna. They talk about some more stuff, but Luna's price faced its lowest level of the year when the price took a dip to $43, which was on the 31st of January. But then the price escalated astounding 118% by the end of the quarter, and eventually got over $100. Then UST lost its threshold at $1, and then the digital asset hit 4 zeros and the 16 level right here. So what's the price forecast for Q3? Let's talk about that now. The altcoin could chug up to its greater heights if it seeks impetus from its volumes. If the digital asset manages to make its presence felt in the industry, the price of Lunc might soar to its quarterly high of the 3 zeros and 7 area. So that would be about a 10x from here. So if you guys invested $100, that would be a little over $1,000 that you could stand to make if it did get to this quarterly high. On the flip side, if it continues to fall prey to its pump and dump schemes, the price may tumble down to 4 zeros and 57, the 57 area. That said, constrained by the linear projection, the average price would be 64. So right now, that would be about a 7 to 10% increase. Price forecast for Q3 by Coinpedia. In terms of Q4, what they think is that the price of the digital asset might catapult to its maximum target about the 883. So from here, that would be about a 50 to 70% gain. If the broader market falls prey to bearish clutches, then the price might take a dip to the 67. That's being said, an equilibrium in buying and selling pressures could settle at the 78, which from here would be about 20 to 30% in gains as well. So yeah, basically by Q4, they think that it could increase anywhere from about 20 to 40%, which I definitely think is possible without any burns. However, we know that burns are a thing. If you guys don't know, Terra Classic or Lunc has implemented 2 burn functions. That's going to be the 1.2% burn on all volume that comes through Terra Classic, and then also 35% of all trading fees. So if they are able to burn to 10 billion, then we're not even going to be talking about anything less than a penny in terms of my price predictions going into 2023. Their forecast for 2024 is going to be the 3 zeros 20 level, which from here would be about 400% in gains. So yeah, they have for 2025 a potential high of 3 zeros and 32 and a potential low of 3 zeros and 18. So no matter what, they see it being an increase in price over the next 2 or 3 years. However, I think that burns will be involved and we'll be able to get to a cent or even $1 if these burns do go to plan. So yeah, that's kind of what I think. But real quick, I do want to mention, hey guys, you can get a free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on public.com and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. It's a great social investing app. We use it personally, and you can actually see our portfolio on there if you guys want. So yeah, go ahead and get joined up with that first link in the description. In terms of the price prediction and technical analysis, we do have a support here at about the 56 area that we made. We never retested our resistance here at the 63. However, we are making a bit of a cup and handle here. So if we're able to break above this about 60 area, we could see an increase to about the 63 or the 64. It just depends on how long it takes to get there. We are trending up on the MACD and our RSI is low at the 47. So the technical is not looking great for the short term, but long term looking great there. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. Leave a like and subscribe. That's it. My name's Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.